When you buy a fresh car from a dealer, you never know its destiny and what this car actually means to you. You might crash it, sell it next day, but also it might stay with you for 10, 20, 30 years or even your entire life. You never know what is going to happen next. Release of Mark V Supra became a very important event for everyone due to a huge gap between the end of manufacturing Mark IV and the beginning of the Mark V development. It is really important to remember that in 90s Mark IV Supra has become a legendary Japanese car and maintains its status till present day. And when Toyota finally stated that new Supra is going to be produced, and mentioning that it's a cooperative project with BMW and attaching pictures of the next-gen Supra to the statement, a tidal wave of hate and displeasure hit Toyota. Main reason of hate was the fact that new Supra was spoiled, according to the audience, by BMW engine. Then Toyota invited Arkady Tsargradsev and Nikita Shikov to film an episode of Possessed. Footnote for our foreign viewers. Arkady Tsargradsev, aka Tsar, aka Arkasha, is a well-known and influential drifter in the Russian drift community. He is 2017 FIA IDC winner and 2022 Russian Drift Series champion. Nikita Shikov is 2 times vice champion of Russian Drift Series and the owner of the first pro drifting Toyota Supra Mark V in Russia. Possessed is a YouTube show about drift cars. End of footnote. They were given Supra Edition 1 for a test drive. Excuse me, the fuck? Test drive went as planned, right? This is Edition 1. It's 3 of them in the world. What have you done, fucking idiot? Guess what? Fucking worth it. After a test drive, Arkasha had been telling that this car is awesome to everyone, including me. He personally told me to buy Supra because I had money and opportunity to do so. And it so happened that I agreed. After a few months or even half of a year of excruciating anticipation, it had arrived. I couldn't even believe it in the beginning, but then I was infinitely happy that I am the first owner of Toyota Supra Mark V in Russia.